Let's look at a second example. This is a rectangle and a triangle. Specifically, it's an isosceles triangle. So we have a little bit of a different situation here. So we have this rectangle. This rectangle is a 14 by 6 rectangle. Okay, and this length measurement here of 18 centimeters, that includes the 14 centimeters. So this from this point to this point, this is 14, which means the distance from here to there is 4. And that's actually the same as, we're going to think of that, that's the height of our figure here. So that's a height of 4 centimeters. Okay? So we have an isosceles triangle with a height of 4 centimeters and a base of 6 centimeters, but we don't know the legs here. So I'm just going to kind of draw a bigger version of the triangle. I'm going to put it on its side just to make it a little bit easier to see. Okay? So this length is 4. The total length is 6. Now, if you remember, the thing about isosceles triangles is it breaks it into 2 pieces, into 2 equal pieces, right? That's what happens when you have the altitude. And these altitudes, this would be a piece would be 3 each. Okay, so we have what we have in here is we have 2 right triangles, and the leg here is this leg is 4, this leg is 3. So to find our third leg, we'd have to take the square root of 4 squared plus 3 squared, which is 5. So this measurement here is 5, as is that one. So we have 2 sides that are 5 centimeters. And then we have a side here that's 14, 6, and 14. So if we think about it, we have 2 that are 5, so 2 times 5 plus 2 times 14 plus 6. So our area, our unit here is 44 centimeters. Okay. Now, if I want to put this into area, I've got to think a little bit differently. Okay. So I've got a rectangle here that's a 14 by 6 rectangle. So this is like my first area. I call that A1, and I call this one A2. Okay. So the area of the rectangle and the area of the triangle. Okay. So my area 1, that's 14 times 6, which is 84. And that'd be square centimeters. My area 2 here, I've got a length of 6, right? This whole side is 6. So my base is 6. My height is 4. So area 2 would be 1/2 times 6 times 4, which would be 12 centimeters squared. So my total area is 84 plus 12, or 96 square centimeters.